Hello and welcome back to another James Prop Maker video. Now in this video we are going to be doing the Art Attack head that was used as a little static display sort of thing. If you've watched my previous video on the head, we did the animatronic version, which is in the box there. So this one we need to get his head back to how it was. As you can see, it's all caved in and his ear is split here. Now I've got a mannequin head, a polystyrene one, that we are going to cut up and try and put up inside of here, but it's going to be awkward because underneath, the camera's not picking it up. That's what I've got to work with. We've got a piece of wood here which is in the way, and I've got very small space to do it because originally he had something, what was it, a pencil. He had a big pencil sticking out of his mouth, which whoever previously done it is glued his mouth back together to put like a party popper thing. That's why it's so big underneath here, because he had a pencil and that's where it rested. So now, yeah, it's going to be a bit of a challenge. I've even struggled to get my hand up there. So yeah, we are going to cut the mannequin head. We're going to cut the mannequin head and try and put it up inside for now, and then I can glue it in. So let's get to it. So that's gone. So the trouble is, as I said before, he's very narrow inside. So we're gonna, I reckon I might be able to get away with, it's mainly his head at the back that's been all caved in. So that's all caved in. So if we try and keep some of the back sculpt of the mannequin head, we might be able to achieve it by getting them in. So I reckon if we cut it like that, we might get enough room in there to put him in. So yeah, we'll give that a go. We can always, I'm going to do too much. Now that's a knife. Let me do some more fettling and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so we're getting there. What I did, because we stopped See, it looks miles better now. What I've done is lined it with bubble wrap. It's the best thing I can really think of, really. So we've got bubble wrap in there that's packed in there. I'm just placing it in different spots, you see. You want to keep, that's the trouble with people, they keep packing and packing with bubble wrap or anything, and what they do, they put too much pressure on a certain point, which then stretches that out, which then puts more stress on here. You see, you can't just keep ramming this stuff in, because you're not going to achieve anything. You've got to place it specifically where it's got to be. And the most important bit was back of here, which was really bad. So we've got him back. It's tough. We've got a bit of an indent here. That's indented in there. So we're going to try and pop this out. His ear, that was broke. It's now gone back in, but he's obviously still, as you can see, he's still split. So we need to put a bit of latex on there, let it dry a little bit, and then find the correct line to put them back in, which would be like that. But that's not important right now. Right now is to get some of his features back. So let's put some more bubble wrap in. So we've got to be a little bit careful now. Also, my hands are scratched. Look at that. This is all fiberglass here. That's all been fiberglass lined to give it some support, and it's rough as anything. But the thing is, I can't exactly wear gloves because there's no room for me to put gloves on and put my hand in, you see. And you put this in. Got to be a little bit careful. See where we are. Looking good. I can hear it go. Can you hear it? It's all creaking. There you go. We've got it back out. Nice. Looking good. That is looking really good. Yes. Now we give it a bit of a head massage. It's looking good. I'm liking that a lot. See, up here is perfect. Side of here is perfect. Back of here is good. Here's not so good. Just here, it's not so good. See how squishy that is? We've got a soft spot there. So that's not that good, because what will happen over time is the weight will slowly go down, and what it would do, see if I can demonstrate it, what it would do, over time it would go down, and this in here will pop in, it'll go back in, that will go down, and then you're going to get a crease in there. you get a crease over time. Now we don't want that, do we? So we need to pack that out a bit more, maybe a little bit more bubble wrap. That piece will be good. And then we do it all over again at the back. Right, I can continue doing this and I'll get back to you. Yep, so it's all done now. He's all packed in. Just make it a bit more nicer underneath. I'll probably cap it with a bit of EVA foam. I'll cap it. We need to do this, the ear, which is split. And I also need to contact the customer again if he wants the ear painted in. We'll see. I think it looks original as it is, and I think he's, I think it looks good right now. But I'll let the customer know if he wants that done. But I know he definitely wants the ear repaired in here. So we're going to do that next. So what we have is liquid latex. So that'll be used. Annoyingly, you need to let it go off a little bit. So once I've painted it on, off camera, I'm going to use a hairdryer, but very low heat. Need to be nice and generous with it. Get it right in there. Let it absorb. You can also use another brush to brush the excess away, like so. That will go clear. Like that. So that is it. He's all done and ready to go back. He's looking really good now. The head is all done. As you can see, no longer caved in. Yeah, all done. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.